Oh, hi all, good morning. I'm whispering because my sister's still asleep. So, whispering. Is the best thing I could do it now? Let me just take this off and put on my earbud there. And then I kind of need some privacy. So, let me get my first sip of water. That tastes good. Maybe just brush my hair. Okay. Go. Come here. Well, oh my god. While I'm already here, let's just do the pudding thing, I guess. So, let's get my toothpaste and then put some toothpaste in it and then let's just wait a minute. Okay. So let's just it was kind of horrifying, but yeah, let's just wash my face. So I don't want to show you guys because it's not necessary. So I just wash my face, and now let's just yeah, I'm on my period, so let's just get some pads, and let's just put them on. So they're on, and let me just do my makeup. It's so hard to take this blush off, so let's just put in some of my favorite lipstick. Then let's change my outfit. They're always asleep at this time because I wake up so early. So I think I'll wear this to you. Glasses, no, I don't wear glasses at home. Got the camera there. Wait. So I'm just gonna sleep here. It's so loud. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for them to wake up. Oh, hi, sissy. How long have you been in? Long. So let me just get ready. Here are the long fair. So let me just put on my robe. Just go to the bathroom, and I need to whisper now. So I think let me just brush my teeth. This is my sister's brush. There we go. So can I have a toothbrush, but we have the same brush. There you go. This is okay. Let me just done. So let's just remember, kids. You should brush your teeth for 2 minutes. I know that didn't last 2 minutes, but yeah. I'm just gonna let my hair stay in pictures. That was loud. Let's go. Let me carry it in anymore because I'm too tired to do anything. So, and I'm gonna be wearing this today because it's comfortable and I like it. Why did I put my PJs there? I've been trying to wear it, but it's ugly. That was like my. This is I just ordered this out of Shein as my cute dress, but it came out bad and I didn't like it. So, and play Roblox? Yeah, let's play. Yeah. I guess my wife's still asleep, but on my glasses. So, this is my teeth. This is my kid's toothbrush. This is my toothbrush. It's red because I don't know. I could just support this toothbrush. So, it's just okay. Please remember, kids, always brush your teeth so you can have healthy teeth. If you didn't want to hear this from anyone, I respect you, but just pick it up with it. Yeah, yeah. Let me just pick up my wife. Oh, I forgot the TV was on. Wait, let me just drink from her water bottle. She never likes when I drink from her water bottle, but that's something good, so. Wake up. Oh. Okay, I'll wake up. So, you're vlogging? No, it was the twins. Oh, they're not twins. I mistake them for twins, but they're not twins. Yeah, I don't know why I mistake them for that, but I respect you. There was someone around the door, but just get ready. She just picked up a toothbrush. It's a science toothbrush. We don't use electric toothbrush like the kids because yeah, we just want them to have a great childhood where you're gonna be young once. Some toothpaste, dust. Done. I guess they like electric toothbrushes because they doesn't need to swirl it and maybe bit harshly in your teeth, but yeah. Put on my favorite lipstick. This looks good. And then hairspray. I'm not gonna use a lot. So I think I'm gonna wear this outfit. And then, oh, this looks good. I bought it already. This one is so good. Y'all are playing Roblox again. Yeah. By the way, bye guys.